There's a point where the world seems to end, and the wind tears through your soul like truth. This is Cape Town, South Africa, where mountains fall straight into the sea. Born between the Atlantic and the Indian, it's a city carved by conflict, by faith, by fire. Every stone on Table Mountain remembers the storms that tried to break it. Every street hums with rhythm, from the markets of Bokop to the restless heartbeat of the waterfront. Here, nature doesn't ask permission. The ocean decides your mood. The light rewrites your story every hour. Stand at the Cape, and you'll understand. This place isn't just seen, it's felt. It doesn't welcome you gently, it challenges you to rise. Because at the edge of two oceans, you find what you've been running from, and maybe what you've been chasing.